I hate it when I'm going to the campground and my truck bed is all messy. In the case of a fire, time is essential. So when I reach for my Element fire extinguisher, I want to have it right where I need it. Let's take a look at a few of the options. First is the roll bar mount, perfect for race cars, off-road rides, ATVs, or anything with a roll bar. It's powder coated in a bright red for easy visibility in emergency situations. The remaining mounts are available for both the Element E50 and E100. Next up is the Go Anywhere Tactical Mount. This option uses nylon straps to give you options on where you can mount it. This is great for belts, molly panels, and more. The tactical straps are a durable nylon mounting option that uses Velcro to hold the Element in place. This is a great option for mounting in odd places and even on backpacks. So what about the shop? Well, the magnetic mount is a perfect addition to the shop, a factory environment, kitchens, and more. It can easily be connected to anything metal like a toolbox, refrigerator, or machinery. And lastly, we have the Quick Fist Heavy Duty Mount. This is perfect for overlanding racks, molly panels, and most off-roading situations. With all these options, you've got no excuse not to have one. Element offers a mount for just about every situation, and with these mounting options, they will keep you one step closer to keeping a fire under control. If you want to know more about any of the Element mounting options, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.